Good afternoon again, it's Mark 2E1CQ, another video. If I can do one without my dog cause me a little bit of grief. Wanting another biscuit. Anyway, the KV4P handheld device that you use with a mobile phone, APRS. Right, that's the app. The app only works to control the frequencies. The actual device doesn't use mobile phone data and doesn't require the internet. So as it can't find it, I plug it in. That is already set up for the UK APRS frequency. I can move that over there a bit so I can go to the settings. And hit done. Now, when you first do the settings, try this again. Let's turn it all off. Let's go back up to a normal frequency. So I want it to TX on all this lot. It does actually TX the actual device. I did actually try it early on. I've got another radio here at the moment, the Red Till 950. I've set that beacon up for APRS, so it seems to be communicating, but can't find myself on any map. Probably the reason why no other unit can actually detect it, because I'm only using the device with its own antenna. I've got nothing external, so I'm not surprised. But anyway, let's set this up. Change the frequency. Let's have a Jeep. TX. And hopefully it would actually TX, and I may actually see it on my other device. You have to bear in mind that I've only got two hands and I can't really show the radio, the radio at the same time. So let's have that done. Yes, it did actually work. It did actually work. No, I can't. No, it was too quick. It did actually work. So I did actually TX. Can't really show you anything, which is disappointing, because if I turn this app, I don't want to close this app. Even if I want to remove it, close it down on the phone, I will not close the app, go to a different part of the phone and try to show the camera to it. The app may not necessarily work. But you have to take the gospel truth. It did TX. Now I don't think I'm up on any maps. If I come out of this, and go here, all these are my hotspots. Now that's not the TX I've actually done on this device, because I've got my call sign in and the letter B. So somewhere along the line I'm not gating the traffic back out to another device that can actually pass it on. And to be quite honest with you, this device is only a 1 watt output. It's a very small antenna compared to what you can actually get. I'm going to need to do a little bit more of a better experiment. If I come back up and go back up to the app, I'm going to need another better experiment to do this a lot better than I have done at the moment. But it did TX, came up another device. I wasn't really quick enough to show you the response on the other screen on the Redtail 950 Pro. But there it is. It's there. I haven't worked out how to use the repeater book side of it for repeaters. But I can do that for another day. It's a great gadget. I'm very pleased with it. Thank you, Vance, for doing something like this. We need you guys in our hobby doing all this. It's an open sourced system. Got a large community on Discord. I'll put all the links in the description. I've got a Facebook page for anybody who prefers Facebook to follow my experiments on this little device. And I should catch you later. Watch out for other possible videos. 2E1CQ. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel on the K4P project, handheld project, a little device you can use on the mobile phone. So there you guys, all the best. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Cheers, all the best.